Okay. Hello all. Today myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about latest interview questions and answers. What are the latest interview questions? We will discuss in detail. There are some non-repeated interview questions are there. Okay. So we will discuss here. Okay. So here, wait 5 more minutes. Okay. So here, okay. First one. Tell me about yourself. Okay. Hi all. Good evening. Myself Ganesh, having 7+ years of total IT experience, currently working in IT. Okay, my roles and responsibilities are installing, installing the installation manager and VAS product and configuration of profiles and clusters. Okay, very much interesting to create data source, and SSL implementation in various environments. We have good environments like dev, set, UAT, PAT, pre-production, okay, and a prod, okay, deploy the application in lower and production environments, okay. environments, perform incident task, change task, and ECR emergency change request. Emergency change request. Okay. Now we have worked in application slowness issues, comma, out of memory issues, deployment issues, LDAP issues, okay, and some default error status code issues, nothing but that is nothing but 503 issue, and the 404 issues, and the 502 issues, and the 301, etc. Okay, and the fix back related issues worked. Okay, this is resolved fix back issues, resolved SSO login issues in one of the cluster members. Okay, and DB related issues, we will resolve. That is nothing but connection issues, database connection issues, and etc. communicated with the DB team and resolved issues. We have some of the team available: OS team, VAS team, and a WAP team, and a LB team, SOC team, development team, support team, and incident management team, etc. This is my roles and responsibilities. And another thing, we have worked in P1, P2, P3, P4 related issues. Okay, we received appreciation mail from one of the client, that is out of memory issues. Okay, okay, and certified in IBM WebSphere application server version 9.0 and AWS solution architect, that is professional. Okay, these are my roles and responsibilities. Okay, these are my roles and responsibilities in every in my employment. Okay, so Here, what are the troubleshooting techniques in support team? In support team will do. This is support team will perform P1, P2, P3, P4 related troubleshooting techniques. Okay, will perform troubleshooting techniques. Okay, that is nothing but 404 issues, 404, 502, 503 related issues we perform in support team. Okay, support team. Okay, after this, second one, what is the difference between install C versus user install C? Okay, user install C. I already discussed this. While installing installation manager as a root user, we will perform ./install C. Okay, while installing installation manager as a non-root user, we will perform ./user install C. I will show you cd opt im. Okay, here ls install C is there. Say install C, and ls user install C is there. See, this is both. This performs root users. This performs non-root users, either bash admin users or other users. Okay, this is the very important questions. After this, what is 503 issue? What are the troubleshooted? What are the ways to troubleshoot this issue? Okay, so we observe 503 issue. Logs are not generated. In this, logs are not generated. Logs are not generated. We will we perform telnet not working. Not working means not connected. Okay, not connected from LB to WAV, WAV to IHS to application server. Request not able to reach the server. Okay, 503 request unable to handle the server. unable to handle the server. Okay, request unable to handle the server. So in this we are contacted Teams meeting for troubleshooting this issue. Troubleshooting these issues. Okay, this issue. These are the main scenario. Issue with LB and WAV team WAV. Okay, improper configurations observed. Okay, improper configurations observed. Okay, in the install C means what? Okay, install C is the script to perform IBM installation manager to install root user. Install C means command level. Okay, install C means command level. So this is important question. Okay, how many level of SSL certificates? There are two levels. Two levels of SSL. One is one-way SSL. Second one is two-way SSL. Two-way means client to server. Here means only client. This is the SSL implementation. Okay, after this, what are the components available in application server? Okay, what are the components available in application server? Okay, so here web container, EJB container, okay, message engines, okay, message engines, and security and namespaces, and EJB message engines, namespaces, and etc. Okay, and one more thing, embedded HTTP server. I will show you the diagram related to here. This is the application server architecture. Application server architecture. Okay, So here embedded HTTP server, this is embedded HTTP server. 1 minute. Okay, this is embedded HTTP server. Okay, in the embedded HTTP server, here after this, here EJB container, sorry, web container. Okay, and EJB containers, web container, EJB container. Okay, message engines, messages. This is request and message. Okay, messages. EJB container consists of EJBs, EJBs, EJBs. That is message driven bean and session driven bean. Okay, after this, security and name spaces. Security and name spaces. Okay, and here developer interacting with EJB container or application. And deploy the application. Deploy the developers to deploy the application in the EJB in the application server by using deployer rule. By using deployer rule assigned by development team. They only perform application updating and all the things. They perform application deployment by using deployer rule. Okay, deployer rule, single sign-on, keypad tool, and keypad related. Okay, all the things are there here. Okay, here message engines, okay, message engines, and connecting to the application server, here, connecting to application server. By default, in earlier in old versions of in old versions of VAS, IHS is not separate application server, and IHS both are in same level. After 8.5 onwards, IHS is differently established. 1 minute. Established due to burden of application server. Okay, this is okay. This is the application server architecture. Okay, this is after this. What are the middleware components or WebSphere components available? Okay, in VAS, in WebSphere, there is DNS, LB, and WAV, and IHS application server, and DB in a middleware components, WebSphere, WebLogic, and JBoss, Apache, etc. These are the middleware components. In WebSphere components is different, and a middleware components also different. Okay, this is after this. Port numbers of WebSphere components. Port numbers of the WebSphere component in DMGR console 9060 without secure, 9043 with secure, application server, application server 9061. Okay, and SOAP connector port number is 8880 is SOAP connector port. DMGR SOAP connector port 8879. Okay, after this application accessing port 9080 without secure, application accessing port with the secure 9443. Okay, this is the latest interview questions. These are the latest interview questions. Okay, and one more thing, how to establish the DB by using JDBC URL and drivers, comma DB username and passwords. Okay, password. This, what is JDBC? JDBC means Java database connectivity. Okay, on the DB2 port number is 50,000 is the DB2. MySQL 3306. Okay, RDP port number 3389 is the port number. Okay, 3389. Oracle 1521 is the port number. CyberArk 1858 is the port number. SQL Server 1433 is the port number. Okay, okay, 1433 1433 is the port number. Okay, okay, 1433 is the port number. Okay, suppose we are planning to federate the node to DMGR. Sometimes federation is failed. What are the reasons? Okay, one of the subscriber asked this question, so I will deliver this answer. Okay, what are the reasons means? So here maybe DMGR was down, maybe DMGR was down. Okay, okay, maybe host name of DMGR or SOAP connector of DMGR, port number of DMGR. We need to verify. We need to verify, and maybe communication issue of DMGR, communication issue of, or maybe port number not enabled, not enabled yet, network level 8879. You can verify telnet and DMGR host name. Okay, and DMGR SOAP connector port number. Okay, we can verify in the application server. We can do this. Will do in this will be doing in application server box. Okay, this is the scenarios you can fail the DMGR federation. Okay, this is the main scenarios to fail the federation to DMGR. This is the main scenarios to fail federation. Okay, and we have performed yard node dot log for verify the errors. Okay, yard node dot log we can perform verify the errors. Okay, understand, right? This is the common issues. This is the major issue. So any issues? This is the main scenarios. Okay.